Hey, it feels like spring, doesn't it? And it's time to think about spring cleaning. But before you start opening windows, wiping down walls, cleaning off countertops, I want to encourage you to think about spring cleaning your social media profiles. What does that even mean? Well, we're going to tell you about it in today's Revox resource. Hey everybody, my name is Chris Norris with Revox Social. Today is day one of a continuing series we're going to do on spring cleaning your social media accounts. So today we're going to talk about 3 simple ways to spring clean your social media profiles. Step 1, make sure you update your profile photo. Whether you have a new logo, an updated logo, new color scheme, a new brand, make sure your business has their most up-to-date logo as your profile photo. Your brand needs to be accurately represented across multiple platforms, your website, your social media profile. Make sure that those profile photos are up to date. The second step to spring cleaning your social media profiles is to revisit and revise your bio. Right? That section that tells the world about you. This is critical landscape on a social media account because it's really the first impression you can give to first-time visitors and potential customers of your page. Oftentimes, people leave this area blank. Make sure you include keywords in there about your industry and your business and what you do to help your customers. Now, you don't want to write a story here. Keep it short and sweet. Make sure your bio is fully written out and revised this spring. And the last way you can spring clean your social media profile today is to check your call to action on your social media profiles. As you lead people down your profile, they see your profile picture, they read your bio, then they're ready to perhaps work with you. Make sure you have a very clear call to action button available. It could be book an appointment, it could be visit a website, or it could be even as simple as purchase a product. Regardless, this is the button that gets people to take a next step. So that's it. It's time to get to spring cleaning your social media profiles. Visit your profile photo, double check and revise your bio and your about section on those profiles. And of course, make sure you have a clear call to action within those profiles. If you'd like to schedule a consultation where we can review and audit your social profiles to let you know what you need to work on, visit revoxsocial.com.